Hey everybody, Aaron here, another guitar video. Song tutorial this time. We're going to do Dust in the Wind by the band Kansas. This is a Travis picking kind of song. So our kind of finger pattern is we're going to do this. This is kind of the Travis pattern, okay? So we're going to do our root here and then our melody here. And then we're going to use the ring and middle finger variation for the to make up the rest of the beats. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and dive into this. I'm gonna play in this video just the introduction, okay? What I'll do is I'll pull the camera down so you can see my guitar, see me playing it, okay? Okay, so Dust in the Wind is in the key of C, and for the introduction, which is what we're gonna go through right now, it is C and A minor. And at the very end, before it goes into the verse, we hit a G over B, okay? Just like that. And our melody goes like this. It's on the B string. And then it switches up. B open, B on the third, B on the first, open, and then it goes back to C, but we got a C with melody on the third. And then here's our G over B. And then it starts at the verse. Okay, so let's get up close and take a look at this picking pattern. So I'm just gonna play a C chord and show you how this works. So we're gonna pluck at the same time the A string as well as the B string, just like that. Now we're gonna take these two fingers and our pointer finger is gonna be assigned to the D string and our middle finger to the G string, and we're gonna alternate, just like that. So this is the first part, sounds like this. Pluck, okay? Now let's arpeggiate. We're gonna arpeggiate the bass, the A string, and the B string, and then do our D and our G again. So that sounds like this. Okay, so let's do that whole thing really slow, okay? Okay, again, just a little bit slower. Let's do the same thing again, exact same picking pattern, but we're gonna take the B string and leave it open. This is what we call a C major 7, okay? Same picking pattern. Okay, let's do that one more time. Okay, now let's put our pinky on the 3rd fret on the B string. That's a C add 9, okay? And then a regular C chord. Okay, that's the first 4 bars of this song. I'm gonna speed it up just a little bit. Let's play the whole thing together, but let's do it slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, a little bit slower. Okay, now when we go down to the A minor, it's the exact same picking pattern, except for we're playing an A minor, but our melody is actually reversed. So instead of going on the B string like this, we're okay, which is 1st fret, open, 3rd fret, 1st fret. Our melody is inverted and it starts open on the B string, and then it goes to the 3rd, and then to the 1, and then it goes 0, okay? So that sounds like this. I'm gonna play it for you a little bit quicker and then I'll slow it down. Okay? So here it is slow, okay? Same picking pattern. Okay, that's the A minor. And right before, that's 4 bars, and on the 5th bar, we go to the C add 9, and then we go back to A minor, and this is A minor regular, A minor add 9, which is open on the B string, A minor suspended, B string on the 3rd fret, regular A minor, and then a G over B. And that's our intro, okay? So if you're following along on the music, the intro is, let's see here, 16 bars, okay? Which is, it takes you right into the verse. So I'm gonna play from the very beginning. I'm gonna do it kind of slow, the whole entire thing. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. All right, and here it is full speed. 1, 2, 3. All right, everybody. Well, hopefully that helped. If you have any questions, feel free to stick it in the comments. Also, hit that button, subscribe to get notifications when I upload more videos. All right, have a great day.